guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a row stay in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets file and we're going to make this first row stay. So even if we go down, we'll still be able to see the first row. Okay, the first thing we should do is we have to click on this for second row like this, guys. And after that, we can click on view option right here. Then choose freeze, and I'm going to choose one row. All right, and let's check it, guys. We have to go down. And all right, as you can see, even if I go down, the first row is still staying. So we will be able to see the first row of this table. Alright guys, that's so easy, right? And that's how we can make a row stay in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video, guys!